everyone, Ted with Superior Image Car Care here today. Beautiful Tempe. Luckily the sun's out today. We've had a few days of rain, so brings us to our topic of the day, which is our waterless wash. Superior Image Waterless Wash. This is currently diluted at 8:1. If you buy it in our 16 or 8, it already comes pre-diluted. In our gallons, it's concentrate already. So today, what we're going to be looking at is, again, right, we've had rain for a few days. So this is basically just some grime, dust, debris, fairly light, but this is something that a quick detail spray is not going to be able to handle. So we need to move into a waterless wash that has more surfactants and protectants in it. And at the same time, we don't have to do a full wash, so we're going to help save the environment at the same time. Now, we're simply going to apply it. I'll show you how to apply it, remove it, and that's it. So as you can see, after we applied the waterless wash and wiped it away, took up all the debris. As you notice when I was doing it, I used one side of the towel, I wiped in one solid direction, completely flipped the towel, and then buffed the residue away. That's all we need to do. The vehicle's clean, washed, water-free, good to go. That's it for today, the Tutorial Thursday, Waterless Wash Edition. Hope you had an enjoyable time watching and you understood a little bit. You can always go on superiorimage.pro and buy this item, or you can also search for us on Amazon at Steel Image LLC on Amazon. Our waterless wash is on there as well. Feel free to reach out, comment at any time, hit the subscribe button, the bell, and smash the like button. Appreciate it and see you next time.